Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mazda CX-5 tire. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level, firm surface, away from any moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake fully. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you are changing. Gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from the trunk. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Now, let's safely lift your Mazda CX-5. Carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point nearest the flat tire. Your owner's manual will show you the precise location, which is crucial for stability. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle using the jack. Continue lifting until the flat tire is elevated about 6 inches off the ground. Always ensure the vehicle remains completely stable as you lift it. With the vehicle lifted, it's time to remove the flat tire. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts you loosened earlier, then carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. For an extra layer of safety, you can slide the removed flat tire under the vehicle's frame. Now, take your spare tire, align it with the wheel studs, and push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts until they are snug. You're almost done. Slowly lower your Mazda CX-5 completely to the ground, then remove the jack and wheel chocks. Now, using the lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. It's crucial to check the spare tire's air pressure at the earliest opportunity, as spares often have different inflation requirements. Finally, get your flat tire repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.